What's up everybody? CJ here again for day 7 of the Viewrail Stay at Home DIY series. And today we are so excited to be telling you we are finally installing our express cable railing system. This is what we've been talking about for the past week. This ships in 1 to 2 days. It's ready to go straight to your door. Hopefully you've been able to follow along and this has given you some inspiration for modernizing your deck, your balcony, your stairway, anywhere you need railing. We're going to be seeing what it looks like. If you've been following along, you saw the railing that used to be here that's gone. You saw that our deck had been really weathered, really neglected, and it is now stained. It is looking great. We're ready for this. So we're going to be giving you some tips and tricks today with our express cable railing system as we install it. This is the toolkit that gets shipped out with the express system. Obviously the Milwaukee tools are not included. That's our personal stuff. But we're going to be showing you what it looks like to install this so you can have some help navigating your way when you install it. We're really looking forward to what this is going to look like, how the view is going to be modernized but maintained for keeping this beautiful view of the river. And as always, don't forget to stay home, stay healthy, and stay tuned.